Ay, vey. What really annoys me about workplaces is that they try to run it through fear. And not fear as in they try to threaten, I mean fear as in they're scared of what's going to happen, not what will happen or what has happened. Jesus Christ. They're running scared. That's all I'm saying. This will get shared out. Anyway, our goal today is just to get to Blizzard City because, as you can tell by the time, 1:27, nearly half one. I've probably got at best 20 minutes before I get distractions to make a good recording, so let's do this. No, screw it, keeping the pink, let's go. Sass. Okay. Let's go, let's get battling. A meditate. There's a question. Would I have trained at Medichamp if I had caught no, actually no. I don't like Mega Medichamp. I'm gonna hazard a guess that was a bug type. I'm not gonna know, but detect. All I'm gonna say is you're clever. Yeah. Oh well. Heavy armor. Had I not trained Matthew Heater in a Premier Ball, I might have trained Harry Armour. Jessica. Yeah. I need to clear my head. Let's go. Let's go this way as a Pokeball. Blue shard. Why couldn't you be a Dawnstone? NPC. Let's go. Let's go talk to NPC. Why are you not moving there? Cubchoo, let's go Cubchoo. Confusion. Come on, Cubchoo. You know you want to in my ball. In the Pokeball. That always hints at critical. It's always going to be a critical. I wonder why it's always a critical one. I never really had any explanations for that. There. I'm not doing well in my commentary today. With it. 2, 3. There we go. Cubchew caught. Snow won't show that he was. Data added to the Pokedex. When it is not feeling well, its mucus gets watery and the power of its ice type moves decreases. Cubchew, chill, Pokemon. Felt weird doing that backwards. A max repel. This game trying to tell me something. Hello, what have you got to say? $555 jumps. So I've got to jump 5. So I've got to jump down things 550 ledges 555 times for the entire game to come back to that NPC who I'd probably end up forgetting about. Oh yeah. Oh. Realise a fault with my party right now. We are primarily weak to fighting types. Oh dear. And our one member who could actively fight it no dear. We have 2 weak ones. We have 2 weak against fighting types. Sylveon's out of our quest for now. I've not looked, so I don't specifically know when we're going to get an EV to Sylveon. But I do know that the entire team is screwed if we come up against fighting types. Ignite. Lucario, you're gonna have to save us. Oh. Just spam power up it. We've got to spam it, we've got no choice. Ignite, you are a lifesaver. Because if he used Arm Thrust or even a fire type move and had Stab, that would have cost us probably a lot more. Yeah, if you'd used Flame Charge then, Flame Charge now, you would have been faster. And you could have got possibly 3 hits in. I need to really look at the team because, as I said, I cannot have a fighting type weakness. That's one weakness I've never had properly. I'm not going to use my Hyper Potion to heal an attack. I'm going to use 2 Super Potions. Massive waste, but you know, I'd rather have it be a waste. Yay! Oh no, I hate these. We had a free hero. Let's go, Blizzard City. That's not Blizzard City. I don't even know where we are. Do you know where we are? Don't you say that as a no. I do appreciate the type of Pokemon you are using. I don't know, maybe Blizzard City will get a Dawnstone. I'm used to it. That's our very own music. I shall. Oh dear. Oh dear, 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 oh dear. Yeah, let's just... We avoided your attack. Oh, please don't have that move. That ability. No, don't you do it. Don't do it. Oh Lord. Oh God. Oh no. No. Snowball. You cannot win this. Send out Boulder, at least then we'll have a chance. And that nurse is all they... That nurse is too far away. Oh no. Oh no. Boulder, you did us proud. You saved the day. Have a good rest. Princess. Bullet. Just slap it. That's all we're gonna do. I don't care about the rest. I don't care about this. We're just slapping this bitch. Slappy, slappy, slappy. Oh yeah, I mean, Kino's got safety glasses. Hail doesn't affect me. That is beautiful. Hyper voice. Your voice is not as strong as Minkino's. Yes, Minkino! No, you nearly beat me up with a psychic cat. Blizzard City, where's Blizzard City? Big Pearl. I can make some money. Come on. I suppose I could spam that 500 jump thing there. Because it's literally just a hop over a hop. No battles, no nothing. Ah, bruh. Which is not the glass cannon itself. A Tang. You're going to be the brunt of my Pokemon for now. You need your level 31-ness. Yeah, I'd actually really be scared if I put on the Stamper. Let's just fight Rudolph with a Minkino. I use a Stamper on Pokemon Silver on the 3DS. Not Soul Silver, I mean actual Virtual Console Pokemon Silver. Obviously it didn't have the good moveset because Gen 2 in it, so it's the same as Beedrill. I used a Beedrill. Didn't really. In the earlier gens, they're not really. You did well, Minkino. Stand down. Oh my Pokemon are weak to fighting type moves. But at least Lucario can tank it like a boss. Good chew. Matang. You know that ice is weak to steel. So. Oh dear. This isn't fun. God, you avoided that. Whatever that was. And the tank for the wing. Well, not anymore, because you're not going to go to a Pokemon Center to heal. Oh, I'm not fighting any hikers. Avoid the trainers. Gives us something to look forward to on our way back. Get out the grass. Just run. Blizzard City. I see a fence. I see a fence. Is that salvation? That's our salvation in that head fence. Just get rid of it, Metan. Because we're not going to the gym until you're level 33 and the other's level 30. Boom! Oh! Damn delay! Can't just run my finger like that for some reason. We can do this. Beware. I'm sure we can do this. If you hit yourself, we can definitely do this. Missed. Oh, we are on our way to becoming the very best. Levels up. Primate. We're not really in the capacity to battle right now. So, Batang. Oh, am I so glad you did not decide to include Galarian Pokemon. It was Annihilate. That was Annihilate right now. That would be worse for me. Oh, hang on. God, that doesn't. Rage does a little bit more damage because I pissed it off. But now, because I'm still a steel type, Rage still does nothing. Oh, I remember back in the very early days when I had Pokemon Stadium for the NES. What was the NES? N64 was it? Yeah, N64. I had Pokemon Stadium. I used a Charmander, and I used the move Rage in battle. Blizzard City, whatever you got to say, punk. I had to avoid a few battles. if I get Rock Smash, I'm going back the other way. Oh, home invaders! Hello. I have 2 blue shards. Lucario! Learn Ice Punch! Yeah! With a Metal Coil, teaches Ice Punch. Okay, now Fire, we're now running an Ice type team. Would it be preferred to taught me Thunder? This move reduces damage from physical and special moves for 5 turns during a hailstorm. Oh, I need to teach that to Frostlass. Bad babysitter. So I'm thinking, maybe 1 or 2 silent videos, just me not making progress, not training up our primary team. Oh, Crater Town, let's find a Pokemon Center first. Crater Town. That is a long time away. Why would I? What? Oh, this is the gym. The High Flying Ice Queen. So does that mean this is a High Flying Ice Queen? This is a bird city. Oh no. This is a Pokemon Center, I didn't even realise. Heal me! I suppose I said, yeah, I'm thinking in my own time, let's say maybe an hour on Saturday and Sundays, because I've got a few of them in me, not making progress, not is this actually making any music? Yeah, not making any progress, but just evolving Pokemon. Shockwave, Rock Tomb, Prime, Venoshock, those sweet those. You've got nothing I want. Somewhere in here is an Ice Beam. 36. Oh, no, I'm buying 20 of them. Right, 10 of them. 10 of them. 10 of them. Not Paralyzed Heals. 10 of them. And since we're here, tell you what, no. It says I got 10 Ice Heals, 10 of them. I barely get burned or very rarely get frozen, so we'll just do 13 Pokeballs. But don't forget, we got 1,000 there. We got that there. So, buy 10 of them. 10 of them. And we'll top it off. All that and an antidote. There we go, we are supplied up the wazoo. What have you got to say, mate? Are you happy for me? They say some of the ugliest people shop at the Pokemon. I've heard there's even a website documenting them all. Minkino, slap him. So would I, love. So would I. You gonna... What about you? A gym leader from Sinnoh. Candice. Type Pokemon. For a minute there, I was actually thinking that Snorunt would be the MVP of this. Boldor, our rock Pokemon. Oh, that's what you did. Oh, that's about how you know. Nowhere to train. Are you a fairy rock type? I believe you are. You set up your defences, I'll set up mine. Here's my defences. One more should do it. There we go. Iron defense. Oh, you think I'm gonna change? Nah, mate. That should do a little damage now. The Bulbor is a tank with +4 defense. Now, here's what I don't understand. It's not that I don't understand, I just don't really get how it works. Pokemon have a set value for their attack. Special attack, all that stuff. Let's just go for attack. Each used sharply, raising its attack. Now, it raises it up by 1 stage, but how much does it actually raise the attack? Because it can't just raise it by 1 stage. So, say it had 50 attack, it'd have 51 attack. I don't believe it just does that. Ah, Bulbor. You're staying out in battle, my friend. But yeah, how much attack does it actually raise? That's the question I've got. Oh well, nose pass didn't last long against our Bulbor. Please tell me you give me Rock Smash. Not right now, mate. Although you might be worth training against. You give me Rock Smash. Yes! Shiny Stone! Old woman, what do you want? Picture, koala and something. Oh well. We'll leave it here for now. Half an hour plus another 15 minutes later. Yeah, okay. So we'll save it here. Save it here in case I press something. Until next time, goodbye. There we go. So we got Rock Smash, but we need the gym badge. Hey, really getting good. Epidemity Town. His brain appears to be fried. What's he watching? Stuntman again. I'm actually glad they gave Stuntman an evolution, to be honest, because actually I'm not sure what to make of it. Are we strong enough? You know what? I know I said level 30s, but it's a flying type gym, and let's go home invading. Said there's a gym leader. Hello. Pokemon's gone missing. Okay. Candice, hello. Yeah, sure. What's the chances I'm about to get beaten right now? Not very high. Oh, this is gonna be easy, this. It's an ice type gym leader versus me. Faint attack isn't gonna do much to me, Candice. Go. Bulldog, you did well. Hyloswall. Oh no. Well, I can't go defeat the gym leader anyway, but I think I might make the gym leader battle on Friday. You know, do tomorrow, going through Route 8 again, seeing about like what missions I can complete. Inkino, save us! Sing! No! Piss. I got a frostbite. Inkino, just slap it. I like the idea of frostbite, the move. That's nice. Go, Mewstick. Show me your worth. Uh-oh. Hello? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no, oh dear! It's a good thing we don't have that much money. Okay, so I see my issue with this gym leader. No one. I had to get rid of Metalcore off Lucario, didn't I? I just had to do it. At least we've lowered your... Okay. I accept this loss in my heart because there is no way I'm defeating a Fosslas. See, if I could heal Boldor, I might have had a chance. Going down punching. Oh no. Oh no. Oh dear. You know what this means, don't you? That this Pokemon is going to be this trainer, Candice. Will. Thank you, Candice. I was overwhelmed. Now let's talk about what we could have done differently. You're a breed, have you got a... Ayla? Ayla lass. And who are you? Okay, so we've just been humiliated by Candice. Let's look at our little Pikachu, shall we? Gotta remember, there's still some trainers out here that I haven't battled yet. But I really do want to fight the gym leader. Oh dear, oh dear. Oh. Right. In my panic, I don't think I fought you. No, I did not. I got you. You sing while you climb. Do you sing while you get defeated? Need I know? This is going to be a slaughter. Oh. I asked myself a question the other day. What if she doesn't watch them? What if she just doesn't care anymore? And to be fair, she watches them, she watches them. If she doesn't, she doesn't. I'm not going to use... If I can help it, I'm not going to use... Well, it's no point using Lucario in the battle because Lucario... Oh, hello. Okay. Pokemon. Let us not do this. Okay, this no. Okay, Metal Claw again. Too many people. So yeah, I'm thinking we can an hour or two on the weekend just evolving the Pokemon I've got in the PC. Not leveling up the team. But it'll all be recorded, obviously. Until I get the trade, what Baldur could be the perfect candidate to get his defences raised. Oh, look at us, we are balling with healing items. Yes, special, aren't we? Alright, we're looking for a kid. Could that kid... Hello, Snow One. I thought I heard you before. Okay. So give the Eevee like to Baldur, because until I either trade it or just people. Good defense. Yeah, I've got increasing, I think. I have a feeling that relaxing sounds. The item sector. Make it sound worse than it is. Because I'll keep going until level 30. Until level 30. I suppose I'll leave it here, so until tomorrow, goodbye.